Hello everyone, so if you want a screen record on your Xiaomi Note 13, first of all you're to swipe down from the top of the screen to open up your quick settings. Now you gotta find your screen record, here it is, and simply tap on it. Now, before starting, tap on the gear icon to open up screen record settings. Here you can choose your resolution, video quality, orientation, sound source. For example, you can set system sounds of microphone, frame rate, and so on and so on. Go through it. When you're satisfied with your settings, simply tap on the shutter icon to start the recording. Now you're getting record. When you are good with your recording and you want to stop it, tap on the shutter icon once again, and it will be stopped. And to close this menu, simply press on the cross icon. Now you can find your video in your gallery. So open up your gallery, and here in the albums you'll see screenshots and screen recordings, and here you'll find your screen recording video. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.